Jesus heals Bartimaeus, a blind beggar. Welcome to the Blessing Voices, where we explore the powerful miracles in the Bible. Today, we will look at Jesus heals Bartimaeus, a blind beggar, found in Mark chapter 10 verses 46 to 52 and Luke chapter 18 verses 35 to 43. This story reveals the power of persistent faith and how Jesus responds to those who call on him. As Jesus and his disciples were leaving Jericho, a blind man named Bartimaeus was sitting by the roadside, begging for help. When Bartimaeus heard that Jesus of Nazareth was passing by, he shouted loudly, "Jesus, Son of David, have mercy on me." Many told him to be quiet, but he shouted even louder, "Son of David, have mercy on me." Jesus stopped and said, "Call him." Bartimaeus threw off his cloak, jumped to his feet, and ran to Jesus. Jesus asked him, "What do you want me to do for you?" Bartimaeus said, "Rabbi, I want to see." Jesus said, "Go, your faith has healed you." Immediately, he received his sight. Instead of going his own way, Bartimaeus followed Jesus, praising God. The story of Jesus heals Bartimaeus, a blind beggar, teaches us important lessons about faith and persistence. First lesson: persistent faith moves Jesus to act. Hebrews chapter 11 verse 6, "Without faith, it is impossible to please God." Bartimaeus did not stop calling on Jesus even when others told him to be quiet. Faith refuses to give up. Second lesson: true faith leads to following Jesus. Luke chapter 9 verse 23, "Whoever wants to be my disciple must deny themselves and take up their cross daily and follow me." Bartimaeus did not just receive his sight, he followed Jesus. Faith in Christ is not just about receiving blessings but committing to follow him. Here are 3 key takeaways from today's story. First, persistent faith moves Jesus to act. Second, Jesus responds to those who call on him. Third, true faith leads to following Jesus. Take a moment to think about these questions. 1. Do I persist in seeking Jesus, even when challenges arise? 2. Do I truly believe that Jesus can transform my life? 3. Am I following Jesus after receiving his blessings? In the conclusion, the story of Jesus heals Bartimaeus, a blind beggar, teaches us. First lesson: persistent faith moves Jesus to act. Second lesson: true faith leads to following Jesus. No matter our situation, Jesus is ready to hear us, heal us, and transform our lives. Just as in Jesus heals Bartimaeus, a blind beggar, we too can experience his power through faith. If God has worked in your life, share your story and encourage others. Let's trust in Jesus and believe that his power is still at work today. Please, like and follow the Blessing Voices for more messages of faith.